Hey guys, it's me, Emma and
Ava.
And today on the Emma and Ava show, we are going to be doing a slime collection. So yeah, let's get started. And we named all our slimes, so it's going to be kind of awkward.
And also, we're not going to show our faces.
Yeah. So here is our Easter slime. You can poke it.
This is our oldest slime because we got it
on Easter.
Yeah. The Easter Bunny gave it to us.
We didn't make this slime, but we're just still going to include it.
Glitter.
Yeah.
Next is our the blueberry slime.
So yeah.
Okay. Next is our
What's on our YouTube slime?
How do you open this thing?
Open it.
Okay, I got it.
And it So the story behind this, why it's super duper sticky, we did it perfect on camera, like it was fine. The only we're stupid and added 2 more tablespoons of contact solution after it, which you do not do.
Yeah, you do not do
We did it right on camera, so we did not teach you the wrong way. Just don't add anymore. We overactivated.
Yeah, so that's why it's so sticky.
Oh.
Next is our
Butter Twins.
So first
these are only 2 butter slimes. That's why we call them the Butter Twins.
So this one, if you see the lines up close, that's the dye of it.
Yeah,
so the dye gets on your hands,
but not like instantly.
Yeah. Whoa.
All right, now I'm going to show you our other one. And yes, we did add too much dye.
It looks like a dark blue, but if you put it up closer, it looks more like a purple.
Yep.
On camera, it looks dark blue, but it's really purple. You guys, just believe us. Don't believe camera.
So yeah.
But you really see. Next is our unicorn slime.
Why we call it unicorn slime is because it has
gold glitter.
Sorry if you hear that noise. Our mom just came inside with the groceries.
Okay, next is our I'm getting it. Our ready to see you guys?
No, not that one.
Oh, it's not that one? Okay. Next is this one, right?
Yeah. Is our Pinkie Pie slime. Why we called it Pinkie Pie slime? There's 4 shades of pink in here.
Yeah.
We actually made this slime, the same exact one, but it was a fail because yeah, we don't want to tell you
because
we got slime all over the place. It was way too sticky. So.
Yeah. And we're all done with the Pinkie Pie slime. Now, next,
our snow slime.
It does not feel like snow slime, but we call it snow slime because it's white and there's only like 2 pieces of glitter.
You actually show the camera.
And it's hard now. Like snow gets hard once in a while. Okay.
Because Ava accidentally dried it up. Just a little.
Next is our cherry blossom.
And this was actually our brother's, but he didn't want it anymore, so he just gave it to us.
Yep. So stretchy. Next. What's next?
Is our, you have it, this one.
Is our grape slime.
So it is blue, but it has a lot of, see, Ava, I think they can see.
Yeah.
You put it way too close.
The purple. There's 2 shades of purple.
Yep. So yeah.
One light and one dark. So
and then our last slime I have, which is personally my favorite.
Me too.
Is
banana slime.
Can I poke
so
it?
Stretchy.
See how pokey that is?
It's non-sticky, like at all.
So yeah. Our parents are just walking downstairs.
Yeah. So thank you guys. guys so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe down here. Bye!
Check out our channel.